Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Realme Narzo 80 Lite keeps updating. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to solve this problem, then firstly open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on system and update, and then on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and then click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and now enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.